So today I want to make a video and talk a little bit about a cool new feature that we have, and that is mobile responsive margin and padding elements in funnels and websites. And I'm going to show you can easily modify the padding on a mobile device and desktop separately, and therefore make it look good on different devices. Let's go and edit this funnel here. See here at the top on desktop, this is actually something that I don't like. I want this a little bit higher, so I'm just going to delete that. This is my desktop view, and so I look at this element here that is actually a picture, and I would like to have this up on top. The bottom, that is fine. I'm going to look at this on mobile now, and on mobile I would like to reduce this further. I would like to move it further to the top, and so I'm going to select the mobile device here. I'm going to actually move this up some more. So I'm going to go here to -25, so that way the calendar is actually visible. And I'm going to switch back to this, and we see here at the top here, my padding is still 0. If I go to the mobile device, my padding is 25. And now I have this adjusted, and I'm going to take a look again here at the calendar. I would like to have this calendar moved up a little as well, and that's probably here. There's a 15 pix in there. I'm going to set that to 0. And I'm going to go to mobile view, margin here up and move it up a little. And again at -25 here. And let's go back to desktop view, change that padding here to 0. Let's go to the bottom, change that padding to 0. Let's look at this again on the mobile site. And now on the mobile site, we see it would probably make sense to take the picture down a little bit. Let's just do a 15 there. And let's go back here. So we have now different, when you look at this here, we have a margin here of 0 on the pictures on desktop, and we have a margin of -15 on mobile, and those stay and are mobile and desktop responsive. So I can make it look good on each and every device. So I hope this helped in understanding how we can modify margins and paddings across devices for each device, for a mobile device and for a desktop.